on video now. My grandmother asked what we were doing. She said, "Let me spark it." What'd she say? She didn't say anything. What the? Watch the show. Watch like whatever's left of that clip start. Just. It's lit on the inside. There you go. Oh! Holy shit, it blew inside! It blew it up the side. That's what the can do. Dude, that was sick. Dude! I can't wait to do this. Look at the can. Oh my god. It blew the can. Damn.